Hello everyone. Now I will make you absolutely relaxed from your head to your toe so that every part of your body feels relaxed and you are rejuvenated for tomorrow morning. Please select a quiet place and you should not be doing anything physical. You can either sit down or lie down on your bed. I would prefer lying down. Close your eyes. Just close your eyes. The world will keep on moving and we don't have to worry about anything else. This is your time. This is my time. I will spare a lot of time for myself because playing so many roles in such a short lifetime does make us neglect our own body, own mind, and own soul. So forget the world, just close your eyes and lie down peacefully. Now take 3 deep breaths, breathing in through your nose and breathing out through your mouth. Now imagine my head is absolutely light. I have no tension, no stress, no deadlines to meet, no responsibilities for the time being. I am going to feel absolutely relaxed. There is no headache, there is no discomfort. Then coming down to your forehead, here also there is absolute peace and silence. Nothing is troubling me. No thought is troubling me. As I start feeling a little relaxed, I will now focus on my eyes, which are closed, and I am already in bliss. I am visualizing good gardens, flowing streams of water, beautiful clear sky, beautiful flowers. The scent of the flowers are entering my nose and they are smelling so good. My cheeks are also relaxed. My ears are only listening to Vidyut's relaxation meditation. My whole face head is absolutely relaxed. My neck, it has no pain, no discomfort. It is absolutely resting peacefully on my pillow. My throat is also relaxed. My shoulders. I don't have to carry the burden of the world on my shoulders. I am already doing my best and I leave the rest to God. Absolutely relaxed shoulders. Then, as you come down, my forearms, my elbows, my lower hands, my hands, palms, fingers, all are relaxed. My whole hand is relaxed, lying on the bed facing the ceiling. My chest is relaxed. My heart is beating normally and I am having no discomfort in any part of my body. My stomach, my large intestine, small intestine, all are functioning beautifully and I am having no discomfort. My upper back, my lower back. Many of us have back pain, but now I feel no pain, just comfort and relaxation. Coming down, my sexual organs are all relaxed. My upper thighs, lower thighs, knees, ankles, feet, toes, all are relaxed. I feel nothing but peace and relaxation. I am lost in my own beautiful world. If there is any heaven, I am in heaven only. Right from my head, going down my body to the toe. Every organ, every muscle, every part of my body is as relaxed as possible. I want this feeling to last longer and longer. I am in solitude, in bliss. Continue breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Stay in this position as long as you like. If you have already fallen asleep, that's even better. Just continue doing nothing.